Good morning, dear students. Today I want to ask you a simple question. Why do we learn? Is it only to get good marks? Is it only to pass exams? No. We learn because learning helps us grow. Our topic today is the future belongs to lifelong learners. But what is a lifelong learner? A lifelong learner is a person who never stops learning. Learning does not end when school ends, it continues throughout life. Dear students, the world is changing very fast. Every day, new ideas, new technology, and new jobs are coming. Some jobs may disappear, and many new jobs will be created. In such a world, the most successful people will not be those who know everything today. They will be those who are ready to learn. They will be those who are ready to learn something new every day. Let me ask you another question. Who has learned something new this week? Maybe a new English word, maybe a new recipe, maybe how to ride a bicycle, or maybe you learned an important lesson from a mistake. See, learning happens everywhere, not only in the classroom. Remember, your textbook is only one teacher. Books teach us, parents teach us, friends teach us, nature teaches us, even our failures teach us. Every experience has a lesson if we are willing to learn. Students, never be afraid to ask questions. A curious mind is a growing mind. Every great scientist, inventor, writer, and leader started by asking simple questions. So keep reading, keep observing, keep asking, keep improving yourself little by little every single day. One new word today, one new skill tomorrow, one good habit next week. These small steps will build a bright future. Always remember this beautiful thought. The day we stop learning is the day we stop growing. So, my dear students, stay curious, stay humble, and never say, I know everything. Instead, say, I am ready to learn. Because the future does not belong to the strongest or the smartest. The future belongs to lifelong learners. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.